What's good? What's happening? It's your boy, your main man, spiritual gangster, your boy. Your word about spirit God Xavier Bolden, and we out here living, you know what I'm saying? Yup. And dream hopping part 2. The reasons why people may hop in your dreams and just do some off the wall stuff you would never thought. Some loco stuff. But here are the reasons. Someone is going to take advantage of you. It could be a pointer that your fourth dimension. We are multi-dimensional beings, but the dream world is like the fourth dimension, the dream dimension. If I'm not right, please correct me in the comments, but I believe that is the dream dimension where you go to escape and multi-dimensionally travel. So check it. It means somebody's going to take advantage of you. Somebody's about to stab in your back. Depending on what they're doing, you need to evaluate their exact actions and their personality. That was in the dream realm, and that's in real life. Well, dreams are real life, because when we dream, that's real life, and when we wake up, that's a dream. But anyways, another reason you can be dream high is because your life will be different with them. You want to experience a different, how would I put it, a different perspective of your life with that particular person in it. That particular person can provoke an emotion, change something, have an impact, positive or negative, whatever your thoughts, feelings shape it as. You know what I'm saying? So that person can have a particular meaning that could just change your life. That's another reason. Another reason we dream hopping is because there's something that you need to resolve within yourself, or any area of your life, something that you need to resolve with that person. That person is just eating away at your thoughts and just energetically channeling you and just draining you. You need to fix that and relinquish whatever that is, or come back to it and get that energetic bond back if it was good. You know what I'm saying? Your dreams have really potent meanings. People have been studying this for thousands. Dream studies, dreamscapes, the Egyptians and the ancient pharaohs and queens and the civilization really valued the dream state, because that's where you can access the impossible. You can ask different messages from different deities and different supernatural beings that are trying to channel you and trying to send you messages, or simply just trying to talk to you and get your attention to allow you to be open to receive these messages. Because when you're in a dream state, it's either you can control it or you're not. There's other factors that can determine whether you can control your dreams, or you'll be just a victim. You'll be a slave to your mind, and whatever happens in your dreams, you may not be able to control. Sometimes it's inevitable that we can't control it, because at the end of the day, that fourth dimensional being will do what it does, but you can awaken that, which is lucid dreaming. I'm pretty sure y'all know about that. If you don't, look it up on Google or YouTube. I'll probably make a video about it. But this is about dream hopping. This is a whole different topic. Kind of has something to do with lucid dreaming, but that's if you know that person, like if you're aware of what you're doing. Like say if you, for example, if you have like deep hurt feelings about a person, and then you see yourself just take your anger out in the dream, that could be telling you that you're very angry, that you have some resolved issues to resolve, that you haven't let go, that you're still attached. You know what I'm saying? That's just an example. I'm not saying that you are. I'm not trying to put that in anybody's subconscious mind, because I know, like, yeah, that's another reason. But dream hopping, it was just a phenomenon. It's this phenomenon. I'm pretty sure y'all know about it. It was when it's a picture on Google. Like, look up, have you seen this man dream study? It's this one thing where they kept seeing this particular, he not creepy looking, but he looked kind of off to me. He looked kind of off to me, but this particular man that doesn't even exist, which was just a promotional picture that everyone kept seeing in dreams. That's just a phenomenon of how intricate and how, oops, got a call, I'll have to call you later, and how just amazing this mind can be, and this whole being, and how powerful it is to interpret things, to things real, because your mind don't know the difference between real and fake. That's why it's so important when you're visualizing your success, or visualizing, it have to be the best case scenario. You have to change it to what you desire, because it will come to fruition. You're just manifesting a timeline that's gonna be in the present. You're manifesting the now. You know what I'm saying? But dreams, it's a lot of research to do on dreams. It's a lot that we don't know, but it's a lot that you can do your own research and find out. Because dream hopping, it may be a whole entirely different reason for you. It's up to you, your higher self, your intuition, and all parts of yourself to figure out what that means. Or maybe you just had a BS dream for no reason. Who knows? But there's a reason behind everything. So I encourage y'all to go find out why you're dream hopping and why you are traveling to other people's dreams, because they may be dreaming about you, and you are aware that you are in their dream. Like, it goes deep, deep, deep. But yes, dream hopping is very real. You dream hopping is real. You will be. It's a lot of instances where you can be in somebody's dream, and you know that, or somebody can be in yours. Like, who knows? Dreams are very just broad perspective, especially dream hopping, because there's a lot that goes into it. But that's just the surface. I want you to go below the surface. I want you to dive deep into that iceberg. Don't get lost in the rabbit hole, but dive deep into the iceberg. Get to the bottom of your problem and solve it, because you got this. Now, dreams trying to tell you a message. If you getting this, it's not by chance, because you need to know why you're dream hopping. Sun God Ra, you out here living. Yeah, fam. Out here prospering. Out here smiling. Gotta keep that vibe high. Gotta keep sending out them energetic signals. Yeah, it's gonna attract the bad spirits, but it's gonna attract the good ones too, because they're gonna be in our dreams, and we gonna solve it. We gonna multi-dimensionally slay them. But anyways, Sun God Ra, stay happy. Stay smiling. Because your brain don't know. When you sad, you could smile. You might trick your brain, your mind, into thinking that you're happy. Just about to smile. You know my third eye popping right now. Gotta get these videos out. Decalcify your pineal glands. Be out here living. Get that knowledge. Get that sun.
When you enter
most
REM
importantly,
sleep, the astral body uses the physical vessel to protect
self-care.
IT while stream hopping in your light body
Anyways,
vessel Merkaba.
so
Ever
love,
wondered
best
who's the
love.
one watching the
Love for
dream if you're in
everybody, love for
IT?
eternity. And we out of here. Literally. I'm about to go take a shower or something. Just got back from school. Yeah, that's that. Dream hopping. Part 2. Uploaded. We out of here. We out of here. Yes, Sirski. Talk to you like we on a vlog together. Like we on a little vlog. Yup. Anyways, for